Want to have your open house marketed as one of Miami Realtors' must-see properties of the week? Hello, I'm Cecilia Chethabaugh, your manager of concierge services at Miami Realtors. I also assist with South Florida OpenHouseSearch.com in maximizing exposure in your open houses with this free from Miami service. If you are interested in knowing more, simply follow the directions provided in the video.
Miami Products and Services. Simple steps to have your property selected and be featured in Miami Association of Realtors social media pages, as well as South Florida Open House Search. To make sure your property is selected and that your image is available with that property, make sure to log into Matrix, click underneath your name, into Settings, My Information, One Home, and add your photo. The other location is up on the Add Edit. In the roster area, make sure to put in your license number, click Edit, Manage Photos, and add your photo by browsing and selecting it as the primary. Back to our main page. How to add an open house. Simply come onto the My Listings area. You would select under your active listings. Select the property that you're going to create the open house for. Select to edit. Scroll down, click on Open Houses. Put in the type of open house. To be featured in South Florida Open House Search, be sure to select Public or Virtual Public. Put in the date, time, end time, any description or live streaming or links that you want to show, and click Submit. Within 24 hours, the property will successfully be added to South Florida Open House Search. Any consumers can come and visit this page, search by address or location, view listings, and you as the listing agent can have your photo here by adding in the areas shown before. Your open house will then have the details on location, time and date, bed and bath, if in person or virtual, and a description of the property. You can then easily, as the listing agent, share to social media and even create a flyer. Open houses, public and public virtual. Easy and simple to use, add in, and then see all the wonderful features that you get. Don't forget that if you'd like to be featured on the social media sites, your properties must have excellent photos. Your agent picture must be added as shown previously, and you must have an excellent property description. The association features on their Facebook, Instagram, and share to social media sites. So be sure that you meet the qualifications.
To be featured VIP of the week and have your open house showcase on social media and on South Florida OpenHouseSearch.com, you must have your agent photo in the MLS, attractive property photos, and captivating remarks. We look forward to seeing you as one of our VIPs of the week. Thank you for being a Miami member. Always more with Miami.